Would you smear this animal secretion on your face? Millions of women do, and they pay a fortune for it.
This isn't a garden. It's a secret industrial bioreactor where millions of snails are chemically milked in ozone chambers.
We turn raw biological foam into the most expensive liquid in the cosmetic world.
Forget what you think you know. Let's step inside the humidity chamber and see how the harvest really begins.
Welcome to the silent factory.
This is not a garden. It is a high-density bioreactor designed for one purpose: the harvest of mucin, the helix aspera, a master of regeneration, capable of producing a substance the beauty industry craves.
Atmospheric control is precise. 85% humidity mimics a perpetual rainforest morning.
If the air is too dry, the snails sleep. We need them awake, active, and hydrated. The fuel for the factory is strictly organic. High-quality vegetables ensure high-quality slime.
They consume tons of organic matter daily.
The radula works tirelessly, a microscopic chainsaw processing the raw fuel.
Biosecurity is tight. No pesticides, no contaminants, just pure biology. Harvest day. The handlers must be gentle. Stress releases toxins, which we do not want.
They are gathered into crates, destined for the spa. This is where the magic happens.
Moving from the breeding hall to the extraction lab.
Hygiene first. Every shell is rinsed of soil and food particles.
Only clean snails enter the extraction chamber. Purity is the standard. Clean, hydrated, and ready. They are about to enter the ozone cycle. The Muller chamber, a patented device that changed the industry forever. In the old days, snails were crushed. Today, they are simply tickled.
They are placed inside the dome. Curious, they begin to explore the glass walls. Sealed in a controlled environment, the atmosphere is about to change.
The cycle begins. We introduce a special guest, ozone.
Ozone steam. It cleanses the bacteria and provides a gentle, tingling stimulation.
The snail reacts. To protect its moist skin from the ozone, it releases a massive wave of mucin.
It is a defense mechanism, a shield of protein and glycolic acid. Crucially, the snail is unharmed. It is a spa day, not a slaughter.
30 minutes later, the process stops. The harvest is ready.
The dome is opened. The snails have done their job.
The workers are removed. They are tired, dehydrated, but alive. A cool shower rehydrates them instantly. They will return to the farm to rest for 2 weeks.
And here is the prize: liters of raw, concentrated snail secretion.
Every ounce is valuable. Nothing is wasted.
The raw material moves to the next stage: purification.
The raw foam is full of earth and enzymes. It needs to be polished. The purification circuit. A series of filters that will strip away the impurities.
First, the coarse filtration removes any physical debris from the farm.
It is still raw, cloudy, heavy, and biologically active.
The centrifuge spins at 5,000 RPM. Physics separates the heavy proteins from the serum.
Separation. We want the serum, not the sludge.
Lighter, cleaner, but not yet cosmetic grade.
Microfiltration. Pores so small that bacteria cannot pass through.
And there it is, snail secretion filtrate, crystal clear.
99% pure. This is the liquid that will be sold to the world's top beauty brands.
Quality control. We test for protein levels and pH balance. Under the scope, we see the magic. Allantoin, collagen, elastin, all natural. To increase potency, we remove excess water in a vacuum evaporator. Vacuum boiling concentrates the active ingredients without cooking them. The concentrate is ready. Thick, potent, and incredibly valuable. Sealed and safe. This barrel is worth more than its weight in whiskey. From the extraction plant to the formulation lab, the journey continues. The formulation hall, where raw ingredients become luxury creams. A base emulsion of water and shea butter spins in the reactor. The star ingredient is added. The ratio must be precise.
Watch the texture change. The mucin binds the cream, giving it that signature elasticity.
That stretch is the mark of quality. We call it the string test.
Cold processing ensures the enzymes remain active.
The batch is finished. It heads to the filling line.
The assembly line. A symphony of glass and steel.
Every jar is air cleaned before filling. 50 milliliters. Precise to the drop. A perfect pour every time. Sealing the product protects it from oxidation. Capped and secured.
Traceability. We know exactly which batch of snails produced this jar.
The label tells the story. 96% pure filtrate. Boxed for the consumer. Random checks ensure the packaging is flawless. Pallet after pallet. The demand is global. Wrapped and ready for export. From this factory to Korea, Paris, and New York. But why snail slime? The answer lies in biology. In the wild, a snail uses this slime to heal its own skin and shell from damage.
It is a cocktail of regeneration, glycolic acid, copper peptides, and zinc.
It hydrates, repairs, and soothes. Nature's own Band-Aid.
Science has simply bottled what evolution perfected over millions of years.
Back at the farm, the lights dim. It is night cycle. The workers are resting. They need their sleep.
The guardians of the colony watch over them.
In the nursery, the next generation is hatching.
They will grow for 6 months before they are ready for the spa.
The cycle is continuous. Life, harvest, rest, repeat.
Thousands of miles away, the journey ends here. The seal is broken. The texture is unique, sticky at first, but full of promise. That stringiness? That is the proof of potency.
It melts into the skin instantly.
Absorption is immediate. The repair begins.
Beauty from the beast. A strange origin for a perfect result.
Sanitation never stops. Between cycles, the nets are sterilized.
The extractors must be pristine for the next batch.
The machinery is complex. Maintenance is daily. Pure water creates pure mist. We cannot risk contamination. A clean factory is a productive factory. The packaging line sleeps, but the farm never does. The digital brain monitors the biological heart. A global phenomenon, powered by a humble mollusk. Air freight for the urgent orders. The beauty world waits for no one. From the quiet farm to the bustling city.
Delivered.
We often look to technology for the future. But sometimes, the most advanced technology is biology itself.
Farm, factory, face. The unbroken chain. The spiral of the shell reflects the cycle of production. Under the stars, the slow work continues.
Cruelty-free, sustainable, slow.
The snail cream. Nature's secret weapon.
This has been an inside look into Feed Pilot.